When comparing Surfer SEO versus Writesonic for optimized content creation, both platforms are solid contenders, but one stands out depending on your needs. In this video, we'll take a deeper look at both tools, discuss what works, what doesn't, and help you decide which might be the most effective for you. Stay tuned, because by the end, I'll reveal a surprising alternative that might be better for content creators like you. Let's start with Surfer SEO. This tool focuses heavily on optimization for ranking high on search engines, especially with its built-in AI and content audit tools. You get detailed keyword suggestions and on-page analysis based on current SERP data, which helps you tweak your content to match what's working in the rankings right now. It's perfect if you're looking for something that will guide you through SEO best practices while you write. But here's the catch: Surfer SEO requires a bit of a learning curve to really understand all the metrics it provides. You might feel overwhelmed by the level of detail, especially if you're just getting started with SEO. Next thing, we have Writesonic. This tool is all about speed and ease. It's designed to help you churn out content quickly using AI, which can be great for bloggers or marketers who need to create bulk content. It's packed with templates and writing styles, making it easy to generate copy, product descriptions, and even blog posts with minimal effort. However, the catch here is that while Writesonic is fast, it lacks the deep optimization features of Surfer SEO. The AI can create content for you, but it won't necessarily guide you on how to improve that content for SEO, unless you're willing to dig a bit deeper into other tools or processes. The third thing to consider is integration. Surfer SEO is known for its ability to integrate directly into your workflow with tools like Google Docs and WordPress, making it a seamless part of your writing process. Writesonic, on the other hand, also offers integrations, but they're a bit more limited in scope, especially if you want something tailored for SEO-focused writing. Now, while both tools have a lot to offer, there's a trade-off in ease of use versus depth. Surfer SEO is more robust in its optimization features, but it requires time to master. Writesonic is user-friendly and fast, but without that deeper optimization, you might not get the rankings you're hoping for. So if you're just starting out or need bulk content quickly, Writesonic could be your go-to. But if you're looking to really dive into SEO and optimize your content for search engines, Surfer SEO might be a better choice. Next thing, let's talk pricing. Surfer SEO has a range of pricing plans depending on how much you need. While it's definitely on the higher end, you're paying for detailed insights that can really improve your content's performance. Writesonic is more affordable, especially for smaller businesses or solo creators who are just getting started with content creation. But remember, the price difference reflects the difference in features. Finally, if you're still unsure about which tool is right for you, here's the bottom line. Both Surfer SEO and Writesonic are good, but after trying both myself, I found that there's actually a better alternative out there for optimizing content creation. If you want a tool that combines speed, ease of use, and powerful optimization, then you should definitely check out the free trial linked in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, give it a try and see for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below.